Here's a 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 convertible. This particular one, colonial white in color. That would have been the original color of this car when it rolled off the showroom floor back in 1957. Is an E-code paint. And then interior trim is an AA, so it'd be a colonial vinyl and raven embossed vinyl. So it had a black and white interior, which it still does. Interior does show its age some. Now, as far as the paint of this car, painted sometime right around the 2004 going to 2005, and engine was rebuilt in 2003 before the paint and frame on restoration was done to it. It's a little bit of a time frame when things were done here. Interior, it appears it still could be original. Like I said, it does show its wear, and we'll get around to the driver's side and I'll show you that here shortly. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see the underside, take a good look at that underneath there. There's pans that have been set in it, and check out that. Check out the engine bay. Be able to look at the interior pictures, still pictures there too. UniqueClassicCars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. Feel free to call us too. 507-386-1726. Underneath the hood, 312 V8. And as you can see, the bright work, about what you'd expect. A lot of this looks original. You can see some pitting up here, some of the chrome down there bubbling on it. Make you aware of that. Paint, set a few touch-ups along the way, another one right up front. So again, I would say more in the, get in it and drive it compared to a trailer queen or anything like that. But as you can see up and down the sides, looks like a straight car. Ford wheel covers riding on the white walls. Show you a little bit what I'm talking about in the interior. It's got where it's had a few of the places touched up. A little bit of the tape where it's maybe ripped and worn. See it on the driver's side. But yeah, like I said, very original looking interior. Now that 312 is paired up with the automatic transmission. As you can see, with the shifter on the column, bench seat, come around to the rear, Continental kit. And I'm also going to put up this top for you so we can check out the vinyl top on it. It does have a black top. Appears that that's been replaced also. It's in pretty nice shape. The one thing I did notice is when you are raising it or lowering it, it wants to go to about the halfway point, 2/3 the way up, and you just got to help it along to finish. And when you go to put it down, you kind of help it get it started to about the 1/3 point, and then it finishes off and goes the rest of the way. So just want to make you excuse me, want to make you aware of that. And like I said, I'll start it up here, and I'm going to raise up the top, and I'm going to show you that as far as condition wise and everything. And we'll check out underneath the hood with it running too. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with the transportation of this vehicle, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So consult with a sales associate when you call in or email. Now, let's see. Check out the interior here. Looks like pretty original door panels there. Again, seat. See where it's been touched up with the tape and what have you. So it does show its age. Repaint has been done. Engine was rebuilt. Appears that they would have left the interior original. Dash looks fairly stock. All right, so what I want to do here is I'm going to go ahead and start this a second so you can hear it run. I'm going to show you the engine bay. I'm going to pause it a second. We'll put the top up so we can check out the top at the end. Pump her a little bit here. There we go. Odometer shows 70,290. Kind of tough to confirm or deny that on one this age. Miles do not stay in the title after it gets to be a certain age. Here's a little rumble coming out of that 312. Let's go ahead and slip around to the back so you can hear that run. Again, 312 V8 paired up with an automatic transmission. I'm going to pause this 1 second. I want to get this hood pop for you. Let's check out the engine bay. We'll take a good little, we'll take a peek at the top. All right, hood pop. Does have power steering, as you can see. Reservoir down there. Very smooth running 312. Slip around to the other side. You want to see the other side of the engine bay here in a second. Again, this engine was rebuilt during the frame-on restoration back in 2003, according to the records. And repaint, some of the restoration work was done kind of 2004 to 2005. What I'm going to do is I'm going to pause this one last time here, and I want to run this top up so we can look at the condition of the top. Alright, there we go. Now, as far as the top going up, power top worked fine, went all the way up. When I was talking about it going down, when this first part right here unfolds, would go to, I suppose, about right here, and that's where you had to help it to. Once you helped it there, top went all the way back down fine, came all the way back up. So it just needs a little assistance getting started, and she'll go all the way back. I did turn it off since I had it running inside here when I put the top up. So, but I want to show you the condition of black vinyl. Seems to be good. There's a plastic rear window. That is fine. Not real hazed or foggied or yellowed like you get them. Yeah, there's some surface scratches and what have you in there, but not real yellowed over or darkened up. Sometimes you'll see the older windows get. There you go. Vinyl on that one looks pretty good. It's a 1957 Ford Fairlane 500 convertible, 312 underneath the hood, original colonial white car, automatic transmission, power steering. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to us. And remember, we can assist with the transportation. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate. We also have technicians that look the cars over before they hit our website. And you can sure consult with your sales associate about that too when you call in or email. Look forward to hearing from you.